and I'm using 2 medium weight yarn, and I placed them together to make it even thicker, perfect for cold season. A 4.5 millimeter hook. I'm gonna make a slip knot. If you don't know, I'm gonna place this hook under the yarn, turn it all the way around, yarn over just enough to make it a twist here, and then grab that one, pull through, make a chain of 20. 1, 2, grab, pull through until you reach 20 chains, and 20. We have a total of chain 20, almost 5.5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, insert your hook in the 4th chain from the hook, grab and pull, grab and pull through 2, grab, pull through 2, and then just repeat that per chain all the way to the last chain. This is the base of our waffle stitch, making a double crochet stitch. And you should have a total of 18 double crochet in total. You should have 18 double crochet in total. This gives us about 4.4 inches long. Round 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna turn our work, yarn over, and then skip the very first double crochet, and then go in this one, in the next one, and place your hook like that, and then just make your double crochet after inserting it like that. That is a front post double crochet, and then yarn over, in the next one on top of that, insert, place 1 double crochet. I hope you got that right, like that. Yarn over, insert your hook again on top of the next double crochet here, on the top of the next double crochet, like that. Then yarn over, go in the next stitch and post double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook there, lift it up, and make 1 double crochet front post. This is every front post here, post, all this sticking out, these are all front post. Yarn over, go in the next stitch, which is here, double crochet on the top of that, 1 double crochet, and then repeat in the next stitch on the top of that, place 1 double crochet, and then yarn over. We're gonna make a front post now again. After that, skip 2 double crochet, go in the next, place a front post double crochet, and then 1 double crochet in the next stitch on the top of that, which is after the front post, and then next here, place that, and then skip 1, 2, and front post double crochet again. So I hope you get the pattern now. 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and then skip this one here after this front post here, skip 2 double crochet, and then in the next one, 1 front post double crochet again, and then repeat this 1 double crochet per stitches, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and then I have 2 stitches left. I have 2 stitches here, front post, 2 double crochet, and then front post, and then on the top, 1 double crochet on the 3rd chain, or just on the very last stitch here, or simply on the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3, and place 1 double crochet there. That's our last stitch. And as you can see, we completed our first row, which is this one here. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. I'm gonna turn and skip the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, skip 1, 2, and then in the third double crochet make 1 front post, inserting your hook, lifting the double crochet up, 1 front post there, and repeat that in the next double crochet, making 1 front post there again, like that. Simple and easy. And then 1 double crochet on the top of the next stitch, which is here. Repeat this ones here to here 2 times. Yarn over and lift that up. After you place this here, go here 2 times, 2 front post double crochet in each of the 2 double crochet in the previous round, and then 2 front posts again. Then we're gonna repeat again 1 double crochet in the next stitch in the previous round, 2 front post, 1, 2, and then front post on 1 double crochet on the top, and then front post 2 times, 1 front post in each of the next 2 double crochet in the previous round. We are now in round 4. One double crochet on the top, and then on the 3rd chain place 1 double crochet here on the 3rd chain. Let me get you the pattern, how it look like. This is how it look like now. This is the back side. Another round 5, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Skip this very first double crochet, place a 1 front post here, like that. 2 double crochet here. This is not a front post, you can see 1 double crochet each, and next, and you can see there is a front post sticking out, 1 front post there, and as you can see, this behind one again is 1 double crochet in each of the 2 stitches. Front post is sticking out, then place 1 front post double crochet, and then repeat again 1 double crochet in each of the 2 double crochet, front post again, and repeat that until the last stitch. So I hope you get it right. And here, post sticking out, and then 1, 2, 3 on the 3rd chain, often on the 3rd chain here, and round 6 chain 3, turn. We're gonna repeat round 4. This is our round 4. Yarn over, skip this first double crochet always, then go here on the next one, on the top of that place 1 double crochet. We just repeat this part here, which is around 4, and then place 2 front post double crochet here in round 4, and then 1 double crochet in the next, 2 front post, 1 front post in each of these 2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, 2 front post, one front post, another 1 front post, 1 double crochet, 1 front post, 1 double crochet, and here on the 3rd chain. That was the pattern. You can tell where to front post and when to not because it is behind, so you can see that. So round 7, 1, 2, 3, we simply repeat round 1, which we are only making 1 front post, not 2 times. So yarn over, skip this one here, always skip this first double crochet, and on top of that place your first front post. You can tell it is a front post because it is sticking out. You can see like that, simple like that. And then normal 1 double crochet on top. We are repeating just round 3 right now, which is here. This was our round 3. This. And then front post, and then 1 double crochet, each 2 stitches, and then front post until the last stitch. I am now in my last front post here and reaching my 3rd double crochet, 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3, insert your hook, place 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, repeat round 4, skip this very first one here, and then on the next 1 double crochet. Round 4 we have 2 front post double crochet. That's first, that's second, because this is the one in the back side. And then obviously here 1 double crochet on top of that. Obviously here front post, 1, another one here, 2, and then on the top make 1 double crochet, front post here normal, and here another one, and then 1 double crochet on top like that. Round, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We are now in round 8. Skip the first one here, go in the next, place 1 front post, then 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches on the normal stitch on the top of that, then 1 front post, and repeat that until the last stitch. Easy peasy. Front post and back post double crochet is simply easy, and especially for the waffle stitch. This is my last front post. Front post is to stay, and then on the 3rd chain, which is our last chain, 1, 2, 3, turn. This is gonna be our last round, and we're repeating now round 4. So skip the very first stitch, place 1 front post here, and then another one front post in the next. We're repeating round 4, and of course I try to hide the rest of that yarn there because we made a mistake. And then 1 double crochet in the next, and 1 front post in the next, just like in round 4. And finally, this is the last one. Okay, you can finish this you wish to make. So, check if you want to see what I make for this. I put the link in the description box below. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Bye. Let me know what you are making for this. Post it in my Facebook page, Crochetlyn, which I would love to see what you are making for this project.